mortising, we use a mortise chisel. The mortise chisel is a lot thicker than a bevel edge chisel, as it goes under a lot more stress and strain as you hit it with the mallet. So the handle, we set the handle, the edge the same as a normal chisel. So on this piece I have marked the depth of the mortise I must make. So we have our 20 marked here on the side. So I'm going to mark this on my chisel. So I just offer it up like this. And put 20 mil on my chisel. Mark it off with masking tape to ensure that we don't chisel down too far into the piece. So this will prevent us from mortising. In setting the piece for mortising, it is very important that we securely clamp the piece nice and tightly on the bench with a piece of waste wood to prevent the clamp from damaging the piece. So as shown here, we've nice and tight a waste piece protecting our piece of wood and a chopping board underneath. When we begin to make the mortise, we mortise 2 mil away from our shoulder line as the chisel pushes back once it hits the material. So to start like this, we always work 2 mil back from it. So as you can see, it kind of kicks back a small bit, so that's why we allow our 2 mil waste. So once the material pushes, the grinding angle increases. As you can see, the shoulder line goes back a couple of mil. I chisel 2 mil off the line and it pushes back a fraction. Once you have the shoulder line created, you can continue to work into the middle, ensuring that our chisel is always perpendicular to the surface which we are mortising. So work towards the middle, keeping it nice and plumb. Staying in between the lines we've created. As you can see, the material is being pushed back as the chisel moves forward. And once we reach the middle, we turn our chisel the opposite direction. And we continue to work along our line. Again, we stop just shy of our shoulder line. So it's very important to take your time and not to force the chisel too much down into the material, as you are compressing the fibres and making it a lot harder to remove. So as you can see, the fibre is very easy to remove. Two strokes of the mallet and it's perfect. So this is why it's important to use the 2 or 3 strokes. So here I continue to remove the mortise, emphasising keeping the chisel at 90 degrees. And in the end, we should be left with something in the lines of this. So mortise removed, check the depth of the ruler, and that should be it.